Hi everyone, in this last video about social networks we are going to talk about Pinterest. As you know, we are talking about entrepreneurship in creative industries, so it's important to talk about creativity. We are going to talk about Pinterest. Pinterest is a social network in which I can find a lot of inspiration. For example, if I'm interested in decoration, I can look for pictures or photographies related with this concept. Okay, so that way I can see all the pictures of designers or people with the same interest like me, and I can find inspiration. Or for example, illustration. If I look for illustration, it's very interesting to see the material of another artist or of another designers. So it's very interesting in the perspective of the creativity. So Pinterest simply is the structure is very simple. For example, I have my own account. Okay, this is my profile, and I can see my boards and pins. What are the boards and pins? The boards basically are like album that I can create with a name, and can be secret or can be public. So people can like my boards or not. And in the part of pins is like pictures that like to me. Okay, so I can make a pin, and then I will have these pictures in my profile. So at home I can see related pictures according to my visits or my search. So it's very interesting to find this kind of inspiration that we are talking about when we talk about entrepreneurship on creative industries. So that's simply very simple and very good to use to find this influence or this inspiration when we talk about creative industries.